2024 Jeep Wrangler protected for Starline Pro. Someone copied the key, done a relay attack and went to steal the vehicle. It's just not going to start up. As you can see, vehicle's not started. Vehicle's going nowhere. So you can choose from either a push sequence using the factory buttons, or you can just have your phone on with your Bluetooth in your pocket. So turn the Bluetooth on, hear the system disarm, and we can start the vehicle. If your phone was in your pocket as you walked up to the vehicle, just get in, start it, system disarms, vehicle fires up, and you can drive off straight away. If your phone went flat one day and you wanted to drive the vehicle, so the Bluetooth's off as if the phone's flat, when you come to it you can use a push sequence. So to do that you've got to keep your foot off the brake. On this we'll double tap the start button until it goes round to run, and then we'll go for a unique code. For now we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll hear a tone and then foot on the brake, we can start the vehicle and fire it up. This system has an unlimited service mode, can be done with the phone by a simple press and hold, or we can do it through the buttons. To do it through the buttons, we'll double tap, disarm the system. We've got our disarm tone. Then we'll press one of the buttons 11 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We'll turn the car off, double tap back on. We get 2 bleeps, and then this just becomes a normal vehicle in service mode. So as you're going to see, it starts up without the need for a code, without the need for a phone. As you can see, the Bluetooth's off. So Jeep will be able to road test it, service it, move it around their workshop as if there's no immobiliser on the vehicle. When you get it home, remember to turn it back on. So foot off the brake, double tap the start button, just pop your code in, you get your double bleep, and then the system's active again. With this you can set a code between 3 and 21 presses, and the way you change it, turn the ignition on, first prove it's you by putting in your code or having your phone present. Then you'll press one button 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This can be any button in your push sequence. We'll turn the car off, cycle back on. We get 5 bleeps and this puts it into learn mode. So we'll just set 1, 2, 3. We'll wait for a confirmation. And repeat that code again. 1, 2, 3. Wait for a confirmation again. And that's our new code learn once we've got it. Turn the car off. So now if we try to start it with the system active, the vehicle's not going to start up. We put our old code in, you see we don't get a tone, the system's not going to disarm, we're not going to be able to start the vehicle. As you see, it's just not starting because we've changed the code. So we'll turn the vehicle off. Now we'll double tap, pop our code in, 1, 2, 3, hear the tone and start, and the vehicle fires up. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit, and this is a Starline Pro on a 2024 Jeep Wrangler. As you see, it's got Bluetooth disarming, so the vehicle fires up as long as the phone's in your pocket. If not, you can go through a push sequence, has an unlimited service mode, and you can also pair tags if you don't want to carry your phone all the time. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit. This is a brand new 2024 Jeep Wrangler protected for Starline Pro Immobiliser.